Building a referral network from marketplace clients can be one of the most powerful ways to grow your business. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just 3 minutes. First off, to build a referral network, it's important to focus on the quality of your relationship with your marketplace clients. Start by providing exceptional service. You want to be the person they trust, and delivering outstanding results is the first step. If your clients are happy with your service, they'll be more likely to recommend you to others. Next, after you've delivered great results, don't wait for clients to spontaneously refer you. Be proactive. Ask for referrals. But don't just ask anyone. Reach out to the clients you've built strong relationships with. You can ask them directly or incentivize referrals with a small reward or a discount on future services. Use a referral system to make this process easy and organized. Software can help streamline this process and keep track of your referrals. I'll share the software we're using to track our referral program, and the best part? You'll get an exclusive free trial if you're watching this on my channel. Details in the description below. It's a tool I've tried myself and recommend for managing and automating referrals. When you do ask for a referral, make it simple. Provide your clients with an easy-to-follow process for sending referrals your way. The more seamless and quick the process is for them, the more likely they are to take action. Once you start getting those referrals, thank your clients. A simple thank you goes a long way. If you're using a referral system, be sure to acknowledge them and keep them updated on how the process is going. This keeps them invested in your success and more likely to continue referring clients. Now, an often overlooked but powerful tactic is offering your marketplace clients a share of the referral reward. This incentivizes them to go beyond just one referral and can turn them into a long-term referral partner. As you build your network, consistency is key. Continue to nurture your relationships with your clients, stay in touch, provide updates, and show appreciation. The more consistent you are, the more likely it is that your clients will continue referring others. And here's your key takeaway. Building a referral network from marketplace clients isn't just about asking for referrals. It's about creating genuine relationships, making the referral process simple, and rewarding your clients for their efforts. With the right system in place, your referrals will grow exponentially. Quick recap. Start by offering great service, proactively ask for referrals, use a referral system, and reward your clients. And remember, you'll want to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to follow along with the software we've been using, so check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.